Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce retirement fund issues with TIAA, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current retirement savings and investment goals with TIAA. Gather all necessary financial documents to understand your contributions and their performance. Identify any existing retirement fund issues, such as insufficient savings or high fees. Consult TIAA's resources for a personalized retirement plan assessment. Utilize the TIAA Retirement Analyzer tool available on their website. Input your age, income, and current retirement savings into the analyzer. Evaluate the suggested contributions needed to stay on track for your retirement goals. Explore TIAA's range of investment options, including annuities and mutual funds. Consider reallocating your investments to align with your risk tolerance and retirement timeline. Schedule a meeting with a TIAA financial advisor for a more tailored approach. Discuss your specific retirement concerns and strategies during the consultation. Review the performance of your retirement funds regularly, at least once a year. Make adjustments based on your progress towards your retirement goals. Stay informed about market trends and changes that may impact your retirement funds. Take advantage of any employer contributions or matching programs available to you. Keep an eye on fees associated with your retirement accounts to reduce unnecessary costs. Set up automatic contributions to ensure consistent savings towards your retirement. Consider increasing your contributions as your financial situation improves. Utilize TIAA's educational resources to better understand retirement planning. Establish a timeline for your retirement and set clear milestones to reach along the way. Remain flexible and be prepared to adapt your plan as your life circumstances change. Regularly communicate with your TIAA advisor to stay aligned with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.